The Galaxy Watch 6 demonstrates that sometimes classic features can make a comeback and still feel fresh. Samsung has reintroduced the beloved bezel in the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic model, while the standard Galaxy Watch 6 offers modest improvements over its predecessor. Although these Android smartwatches may not be groundbreaking, they are highly capable and cover nearly all the essential functionalities you require. After wearing both versions for a week and using them to track various activities like workouts and sleep, I noticed that the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are quite similar in terms of internal specs, sensors, and sizing options. On the surface, it might seem like a minor upgrade. However, the larger 1.3-inch and 1.5-inch displays in the Galaxy Watch 6 models significantly enhance the overall user experience. When directly comparing the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with the previous Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which was the last Samsung watch to feature the bezel, the difference in usable display area is striking and greatly improves usability. The Galaxy Watch 6's screens are twice as bright as the Galaxy Watch 5 and Pro, maxing out at 2000 nits. They are highly visible in sunlight, and the always-on display is also brighter. The reintroduced rotating bezel is a welcome addition, making navigation enjoyable and practical for users wearing gloves or with sweaty/wet fingers. Samsung listened to feedback, and it shows in these improvements. The bezel on the Galaxy Watch 6 is slimmer than the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's version. While it's a welcome return, it doesn't introduce anything new, and its removal in the past was questionable. The regular Galaxy Watch 6 features a touch bezel around the screen's edge, providing a similar effect to the physical bezel. As for the next Pro watch, there's speculation that the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro might have a slimmer rotating bezel around the raised edge. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung decides. The Galaxy Watch 6 has a new one-click watch band design, making it easier to switch bands without dealing with spring pin toggles. The bands are compatible with both older and newer models and fit closer to the watch frame. The Classic's hybrid leather band is exceptionally comfortable for all-day wear. Samsung has conservatively estimated the battery life, claiming up to 30 hours with the always-on display or 40 hours without it, for both sizes of both watches. The larger case sizes have a higher capacity battery at 425 mAh compared to 300 mAh on the smaller version. The actual battery life on the 43mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with always-on display, some notifications, a 30-minute GPS workout, and sleep tracking is around 27 hours. And with heavier usage, like music streaming and longer GPS workouts, it's closer to 24 hours. LTE use might drain the battery even faster. Charging the watch from flat to full takes over an hour with a provided USB-C charger, or you can use reverse wireless charging on a Galaxy phone for a quick top-up. For the longest-lasting battery, the $450 Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the best option, lasting 2.5 to 3 days with similar usage. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are the first to run Wear OS 4, offering key updates for improved battery life and cloud backups. Apps like Gmail and Google Calendar will be available soon, but as of making this video, they are not yet accessible. The watch includes Google Assistant, YouTube Music, and now has a native Wear OS app for WhatsApp. Notably, switching to a new phone no longer requires resetting the watch. For Flip 5 or Fold 5 users, there's camera control in flex mode from the wrist, but it can be a bit laggy. However, the camera controller still works for older Galaxy phones, and I tested it with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, finding smooth camera controls like zooming with the bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 features a useful accessibility feature called Universal Gestures, which allows control with gestures for those who can't touch the screen or press buttons. It introduces new fitness tools like a track-run workout type and the ability to create custom workouts. Samsung also quietly brought back automatic cycling detection, which was missing in the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. The watch continues to auto-detect activities like walks, runs, rowing machine, and elliptical exercises after about 10 minutes. The Galaxy Watch 6 introduces personalized heart rate zones for more effective training. To calculate custom zones, do a 10-minute outdoor run at 4 km per hour or faster, then access settings greater than HR zone guide greater than target HR zone. Sleep tracking features catch up with competitors like the Pixel Watch and Fitbit. Sleep score and cute sleep animals are now visible, similar to the Galaxy Watch 4 since early 2022. It'll take time to assess the effectiveness of the Galaxy Watch 6's sleep coaching tips, and I'll update the review with a final verdict after several weeks. The Galaxy Watch 6 offers blood oxygen readings during sleep, sometimes showing very low levels like 87%, which may indicate conditions like sleep apnea. Sleep mode is supposed to use an invisible infrared sensor for heart rate, but the green LED was visible at times, prompting the need for clarification from Samsung. The watch has ECG and irregular heart rhythm notifications like Apple Watch and Fitbit, but they are only supported with a Galaxy phone. Sideloading the Samsung Health Monitor app on other Android phones via APK is possible and not officially supported. The heart rate monitor on the Galaxy Watch 6 matched my resting heart rate with a chest strap and was close during cardio workouts. GPS locked on quickly and provided good route accuracy. The skin temperature sensor tracks overnight during sleep and predicts menstrual cycles. For Galaxy Watch 4 or 5 users, upgrading to the Galaxy Watch 6 may not be necessary unless you get a great trade-in deal or desire a larger screen. Main software updates are coming with One UI 5 watch later in the year. However, for those with earlier Galaxy or Gear watches running Tizen, the upgrade is more appealing as it offers access to Wear OS and retains the beloved bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 faces more competition this year from devices like the Pixel Watch. While it's a refined Android smartwatch, it could be more exciting, especially in terms of battery life. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.